Hello, this is Tom from Candirect, and in this video I will explain all the offer placements. When creating offers in Candirect, the first thing you need to decide on is the placement, and it essentially tells you where the offer will be displayed and how it will behave. As of now, we are offering 6 different placements, and I will now explain each one of them. The first one is a pop-up on product page, and it's displayed once your customer clicks on the Add to Cart button. I am now on the product page, and I will click on the Add to Cart button. And this is the pop-up generated by Candirect. You can have here multiple products. We recommend having 2 to 3. And you can also combine cross-sells, which are products that are added to the cart with the main product, and upsells or upgrades, which are products that's basically replacing the original product. So when I click on the upgrade, the day cream was replaced with the body care kit. If customer clicks on the add button, he is buying the main product together with the cross-sell. So he's buying the day cream and the night cream all together. The second type of product page placement is called embedded block, and it's natively built inside your product pages. There are 2 types of embedded block. The first one is button layout, and the button layout looks like this. If customer clicks on the add button, the cross-sell is added to the cart, but the customer still needs to add the main product. The second type of the embedded block is the checkbox layout, and it looks like this. And you can decide if the offers are pre-selected by default, which means that once the customer clicks on the add to cart, the main product together with the cross-sell will be added, or they are unselected by default, which means customer needs to actively click on the checkbox to select it. The embedded offers on the product page are great for offering cross-sells. They are also very unintrusive, and they will feel like a natural part of your storefront. Keep in mind that the embedded offers need to be actively inserted inside your theme. So you need to go to your product template. In the product information block, click on the plus icon. And from the apps, select either button or checkbox layout from Candirect. Once the offer is inserted into your product page, you can also customize the messaging and also some of the designs, including the custom CSS. The third type of the placement is a pop-up displayed once the customer clicks on the checkout button. I'm now on the cart page and I click on checkout. And this pop-up is generated by Candirect. It's essentially a last offer before customer enters the checkout. So it's great for offering things like gift packaging, extended warranty, priority processing, and basically any service which is applicable to any products in the order. The fourth placement is embedded on the first page of the checkout, but technically it's available only to Shopify Plus stores. It's very similar to the embedded offer on the product page, and you can choose whether it's placed on the right side or, for example, above or below the CTA button. Once the customer clicks on adding the cross-sell, it's added to the order, and a customer can still add more products. And same as the embedded offers on the product pages, checkout upsells need to be actively added to your checkout using the theme editor. The fifth placement is displayed post-purchase, and we call it a page or interstitial, and it is basically displayed once customer clicks on the Pay Now button and before getting to the thank you page. This is the post-purchase page offer, and the main advantage is that once the customer clicks on add, or he can also see more offers, the product is immediately added to the order without the need to enter the billing and shipping details again. Technically, the order was submitted with the original product, and once the upsell was added, it was edited using the API. Please keep in mind that the post-purchase page offer doesn't work with third-party payment gateways and specific payments like Klarna, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and so on. It only works with credit cards, and when using multi-currencies, it only works in the store default currency. These are unfortunately API limitations, and we can't do anything about them. The last placement type is called embedded block on the post-purchase page, and it looks like this, and you can put it on your thank you page or on the order status page. Once the customer clicks on the add button, he needs to go through the checkout again to pay for the additional product. Those were all the offer placements we currently have. Hope this video was useful. And please don't forget, if you have any questions or need further assistance with implementing the offers, just go to the chat icon inside your Candirect app and our team will be happy to assist you. Thanks much for watching and happy upselling.